Good morning everybody, this is Marco C here. So today is gonna be the refeed day after 2 weeks of my mini cutting cycle. And this is my physique update. Now is the time to cook. As you can see, I bought a new pressure cooker. The reason is because the time needed to cook the beans and rice is much shorter than before. I only need 40 minutes to make very tender and soft beans. So I could leave the pots alone and the pot could cook itself and it could hardly get burnt. And now it's time to go. So today's gonna be a push workout. Let's get into it. we got some tomato and some rice seasonal vegetables. And here's the salad bar, and these are the fried stuff, and this one's the sweet potato, some cucumber and some pumpkin, and also this one's some tofu. Sushi, this one contains milk and some tofu as well. And we got some vegetable rolls, but these contain milk and cheese. And this one's quite famous in Hong Kong. It's called Yao Jia Gui. And this one's kind of a Chinese dishes. It's called sweet and sour bean curd. And we got some fried rice and some fried noodles here. And these are some taro soup, and it contains milk. And this is some melon soup. We got some bean curd pudding, which is quite famous in Cantonese. It's called tau fu fa. And this one's some rice. And this is some cucumber. And this is some carrots. And we got some sweet potato. It's steamed. And we got some chang fan, some rice rolls. And also some steamed egg. And also some ma po tofu. It's quite famous in Hong Kong. And we also got some lobako, some turnip cakes, and also fried stuffed pepper. The most delicious thing is the mock chicken, and you've got to try this one out. I'm going to use 一個vegan 嘅 blueberry banana crumb cake. So I told you the blueberry and banana crumb cake. My friend ordered the vegan carrot cake, and the thing on top is the vegan yogurt. And let's have a taste test. While the beans and rice are reheating, I'm going to chop some cabbage and lettuce. I'm not necessarily cooking the veggies at a very high temperature, but rather just use the keep warm function to soften the veggies a little bit and mix it with the rice and beans. This is the end product. Finally, I don't have to add extra amount of liquid into it to make it a little bit softer, since pressure cooker will make the beans much softer for me to eat. For now, I'm just gonna eat a few bowl of these and do some editing for my videos. That's it for today's Refeed day. And sometimes if I have social occasions like going to vegan buffet, going to vegan cafe, I will go there to eat with my friends. If you have any kind of video suggestions, comment down below to let me know. And if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to not miss out on the future content. Until next time, peace.